One of the most daunting tasks about this entire project has always been the water system. Putting a system into a chassis that never had provisions for it is terrifying, and honestly, it's probably what's holding a lot of you back from committing to a project like this. A couple of years ago, I had sent an email to a company called CSF where I asked if I could use their oil cooler replacements and run water through them. I got an email back a couple days later and basically was told that, hold on, yes you can, but we're working on something special. And that is providing radiators for these specific engine swaps and these specific cars so that people can, like myself and hopefully soon like you, put water-cooled engines into their air-cooled 911s. This changes absolutely everything that you currently know and think you know about putting a water-cooled engine in these cars. So enough of me waffling on about what happened and how we got here. Let's go straight into showing off these amazing and brilliant looking radiators from CSF. These radiators also mimic the same size as the CSF oil coolers, so they're compact and they're actually incredible pieces of kit. They include a mounting tab at the top that's slotted so that it can both be fitted on the left-hand side and the right-hand side using the headlight bucket bracket. If cars don't have that, you may have to make a mount, but it's really not that difficult, and we're going to get into that in this build anyway. They also include some threaded 1/8 MPT ports. They can be used for both a bleeder valve or a temperature sensor, a fan switch, all that kind of good stuff. And they are -16 AN threaded holes. They also include O-ring -16 AN adapters. So that's what we're going to use for this setup anyway. Another really cool feature of this product is that there are 4 different positions where you can mount a 7.5-inch fan. So I'm going to be running a 7.5-inch spout fan as a pusher fan. But again, there are a myriad of configurations that you can use both for puller, pusher on the upper side or the lower side. It's really up to you. Now you're probably wondering when this is going to be available. I've been told by CSF that they're aiming for Q2 of 2025. And really, I'm super excited for people to get these in their own hands because honestly, this isn't just limited to these Porsches. I really think that such a compact radiator and running 2 in series, you're gonna see these in other applications that aren't just limited to this chassis. And I can't wait to see someone with a Subaru powered notchback Type 3, wink wink dad, with these as the centerpiece of their water system. I'm going to close out this video now. I know it's a short one, but I was so excited about these products that I just had to get something out because I really think that it's important that the world knows that this option is going to be available once again, Q2 of 2025. In saying that, I'd love to hear your wildest applications for these radiators. Put them in the comments. Tell me your craziest engine swaps that you'd put given that this option is now available. Whether it's in a Type 3 Volkswagen, a Beetle, a bus, a Corvair, a 911 like this one, whatever it is, I want to hear about it. In saying that, I will see you next Thursday, and please share this video with anyone that you think will be interested in this.